Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Vanapalli. You're looking at me, you might think that I'm looking a little weird, but actually in this video, I'm gonna show you how to curl your hair, and that too without using any kind of serum nor any kind of straightener. All you need is just some lengthy pieces which are cut from a dupatta or any waste cloth that you don't use. So you can cut into this shape. This long is what you need actually to curl your hair. I already have one on my hair if you look at it. And next what you need is some newspaper pieces or any tissue papers that you can use. So this is how it looks, the newspaper. I cut around like 15 or 16 of them, and I'm gonna roll this way in order to curl my hair. So it needs to be a little stiff. Now I'm going to show you how to curl your hair. You need to take sections and then only you can curl the hair. So I already curled one of them, and take this newspaper and put it just in the center and roll the newspaper. See that the length is equal at the ends. And I'm going to roll my hair first and then roll the newspaper as well. And then I'm going to tie the knots. And make sure that it isn't any loose, it should be really very tight. Now I'm gonna follow the same for the rest of my hair, and when you try to do it, do not forget to take sections first and then only you can try to curl it. And also remember to tie it very tight, because if it is loose it will just come off and it doesn't give that curly effect at all. And I generally used to do this when I was in my college. My friends used to ask me like what did I do to my hair, because I used to do this like the night and sleep with this overnight, and then in the morning I used to remove them. It doesn't hurt, that's the reason I used to leave it. So I used to sleep the same way with this because it's just paper and cloth, so it's okay for me. But if you would not like to do the same, you can just do this for like 6 hours and then it should be fine. Because I'm not using any product on my hair, I'm not using any curler, so it really takes some time for the hair to be curled. So that's the reason I used to leave it overnight. And I'm going to attach one of the video wherein I actually removed all these pieces, and you can check the video, and the curls are really good. I was over satisfied, I can say. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share your comments. Bye. It's just weird me, and I'm gonna set these pieces and leave it for 6 to 7 hours and the curls will be all fine.